Hello there. In this video, we will teach you the singular question word a. In singular, the question word a is the direct equivalent of the English word why. It is a versatile interrogative used to seek reasons, explanations, or motives behind an action or a state of being. In another word, a asks for reasons or causes. Now let's see how to use a. The question word a placed at the beginning as the other question words, followed by verbs or clauses explaining reasons. And also, the question word a can be used at the end or in the middle, as I explained in other videos. For further clarifications, let's take some examples. The first, ඇයි ඔයා එන්නේ, which means why are you coming? And the next one is ඇයි ඔයා මේක කරන්නේ, which means why are you doing this? And the next one is ඇයි ඔයාට ඒක අවශ්‍ය, which means why do you need it? And the next one is ඇයි මම යන්නේ මෙහෙට, which means why do I go here? And the next one, ඇයි ඔබට එහෙම හිතෙන්නේ, ඇයි ඔබට එහෙම හිතෙන්නේ, which means why do you think so? And the next, ඔයාට ඒක කරන්න ඕනේ ඇයි, ඔයාට ඒක කරන්න ඕනේ ඇයි, which means why do you want to do that? Now this question, the question word a at the end of the sentence, but you can put the question word at the beginning of the sentence if you want. ඇයි ඔයාට ඒක කරන්න ඕනේ? It's the same meaning. And the next, ඇයි ඔහු එන්නේ නැත්තේ, ඇයි ඔහු එන්නේ නැත්තේ, which means why isn't he coming? And the next, ඔබට මේක හොඳයි කියලා කියන්නේ ඇයි, ඔබට මේක හොඳයි කියලා කියන්නේ ඇයි, which means why do you say this is good? And the next, ඇයි ඔයාට එය වැදගත්ද, ඇයි ඔයාට එය වැදගත්ද, which means why is it important to you? As I explained on other question words videos, you can switch the position of the question word. If we take the question ඇයි අපි මේක කරන්න ඕනේ, we can change it to අපි මේක කරන්න ඕනේ ඇයි, or you can even change it to අපි ඇයි මේක කරන්න ඕනේ. You can try changing the positions of A, all of the questions we did in this video. Type them in the comment section in Sinhala if you can. And if you have any questions, send us a WhatsApp message in Aralia Tutors Sinhala Learners group. Thank you for watching.